Hello everyone, this is continuing our revision series, chapter 4. This is the trigonometry of non-right angle triangles, and we're doing the chapter review questions that start on page 190 of the textbook. And we're up to short answers, question 4 and 5 for this one. So let's have a look. Emma rode for 8.5 kilometres on a bearing of north 43 degrees west from her home. Well, let's do the compass. Undo. Let's try that again. There we are. It's better. And we'll do our compass bearings, north, south, east and west. And here is Emma's home, right in the centre. And she rode 8.5 kilometres on a bearing of north 43 degrees west. So she's going north but heading 43 degrees towards west. So that will be about that way, I'd say. There we are. So purposes of drawing the diagram, it does not need to be precise as long as you get a fair idea. So this will be Emma. And she's travelled 8.5 k's along this way, and this angle here is 43 degrees. Okay, so question 1, 4a, how far north is Emma from home? Well, the way to look at it is just basically north is here, so how far up this axis till we get to the level with where Emma is now is the question, what the question is asking. And I'll just complete that triangle. So we're asked after this distance, we'll call it x, how far north has she gone along there? Now we've got our right angle. So can we get an answer out of that? With the right angle triangle trig, we can, because what we've got is, so 4a. We've got an angle of 43. We've got this, which is the hypotenuse, is 8.5 kilometres. And we've got this, which according to this angle is the adjacent side, is, we'll call it x. And that, according to this, uses the cosine ratio. So let's write the statement. Cos of 43 equals adjacent, which is the unknown, over the hypotenuse, which is 8.5 k's. Then we rearrange to simplify and isolate x. 8.5 times the cos of 43, that's the calculator step, equals what we're looking for. There we are. Oh, there it is there. How easy is that? 8.5 times the cos of 43 is 1 decimal place 6.2 kilometres. Is our answer. Very good. Okay, part B. How far west is Emma from home? Okay, well, so level with Emma this time west. So we're going this way. I'll do a different colour, I'll go green. So level with Emma, how far west? So we're looking for this distance here, we'll call this one y this time. How far this way? Okay, so now we have a right angle Don't have any angles though, but that's not too hard because we've got 43 degrees there, and those two are complementary, so that one would have to be 47 to make the 90. So we've got an angle, we've got a hypotenuse still, and we've got again the adjacent. So it's again cos. This time it's the cos of 47 equals adjacent, which is a y over our 8.5. Okay, so rearranging as we did before, 8.5 times the cos of 47 equals 47. 8.5 cos of 47. 5 point, and it looks like it's one decimal place, 5.8 k's. 5.8 kilometres. That's part B. Part C, what are we doing? Compass bearing of her home from her current position. Okay. Compass bearing of her home, so we're going back this way. Okay, let's just do a bit of a let's see now, let's do a bit of a new, to do this we've got to do another north, south, east, west to get the bearing back that way, because since she's heading from where she is now back to home, we're going back this way, the bearing is this, so it's got to be north, south down here. That's what you've got to do when you're working out heading in the opposite direction, and we want the compass bearing. Okay, well I'm going to do that would be heading south, and that angle there, so you can do it a couple of ways. I'm going to go heading south, 43 degrees east. And if you wanted in true bearing, it would be 90, and that's 47 there. 90 plus 47, 137. 137 is the true bearing. And south, 43 degrees towards east. That's that's the answer for that one. South, 43 degrees east. Okay, question 5. These are fairly straightforward, these ones. Okay, we'll just put these into the calculator. So 10 of 123 degrees, 41 minutes. Remember, for minutes you've got to press that degree button again. Negative 1.5. 2 decimal places, okay. Negative 1.50. Okay, part B. Cos of 93 degrees, 26 minutes, negative 0.06. Okay, C, sine of 130 degrees, 59 minutes, 0.75. D, cos of 167 degrees, 35 minutes. Negative 0.98. Okay, 5 sine 134. I can put in the degrees if you like. 3.5, 3.60. 710, 128. 710, 128. Negative 8.96. 11 cos 149. Bracket. Negative 9.43. And finally, 410, 137. 137. Negative 3.73. And that's it for questions 4 and 5. Thank you.